KET News starts now with breaking news.
And getting right to this breaking news tonight, Jackson police investigating a shooting into a school bus window. We're told high school students were on that bus at this time, but no one was injured. It happened around 5 o'clock this afternoon on Abraham Lincoln Drive near James Monroe in the Presidential Hills neighborhood. We're also told a juvenile suspect was detained for questioning, but was apparently let go. Be sure to stay with WLBT and MSNewsNow.com for the latest on this breaking news story.
Also breaking at 6 right now, another big drug bust on a major interstate in the metro area. This time the Rankin County Interdiction Task Force confiscating 14 kilos of cocaine. Now the street value is $400,000. A deputy pulled over a car for a traffic stop. A consensual search led to the discovery of those drugs. The driver, Josephine Hinojosa, and passengers Mario Reyes Tavera and Jose Urelo Cruz were all arrested and charged with aggravated trafficking of cocaine. Developing tonight, a graphic video of a brutal fight at Terry High School hits the internet. It goes viral, and 3 on your side's Marie Edinger talking with Hinds County Sheriff Victor Mason about that fight tonight. She joins us live from Terry with the details.
The sheriff says the students all used to go to school in Jackson and transferred. That's how they know each other. And they got in a fight on Friday at a basketball game, picked it back up on Monday here at Terry High. And unfortunately, fights here at Terry High are not out of the ordinary at all. This is the video of Monday's fight that's gone viral over the past few days. I spoke with a woman who used to go to Terry High who says things have drastically changed since her time there.
I'll be honest, I was even in a fight in that cafeteria and they immediately shut it down. We were in the principal's office within 30 seconds.
Melody says her stepmother is a teacher at Terry High, a small older woman who wouldn't be able to get in the middle of a fight the way the teachers do in the video. Her stepmother says new school policies deter teachers from punishing children, so the kids feel like they can get away with more.
But they can't just send them to the office and have them written up or taken care of or go to detention. Like, the teachers have to be there to monitor them for detention. They have to do all the paperwork, and it's creating a workload that the teachers can't keep up with.
The Hinds County School District says Terry High has the Discovery Program and offers sessions on bullying prevention and conflict resolution to make sure students and staff have an atmosphere that fosters achievement and requires accountability. They didn't comment on whether the teenagers in the fight had been suspended. Now, as for punishment outside of the classroom, the sheriff says that all 6 of the teenagers involved were arrested for disorderly conduct. That's a misdemeanor here in Mississippi. Live in Terry, Marie Edinger, 3 on your side.
This news tonight, Jackson State University agrees to repay over $1 million in federal science money. JSU will pay $1.17 million to settle claims that it did not keep records supporting federal money spending. A federal prosecutor made that announcement about the National Science Foundation grants the university received from 2006 all the way through 2011. U.S. Attorney Gregory Davis says JSU agreed to repay that money after an investigation by the foundation's Inspector General.
A former Jackson City Councilman is on trial this week, charged with embezzlement. Ben Allen is accused of taking more than $487,000 from downtown Jackson partners. Well, tonight, David Kinney is on your side at the courthouse with the very latest developments. Dave?
Yeah, prosecutors contend that the money Ben Allen is accused of taking belonged to the taxpayers, even though it was funneled through his organization. On the other side, defense attorneys argue that Allen never misused any public funds. Derek Gardner spent the entire day on the stand, a certified public accountant with the state auditor's office. He testified that he scoured through downtown Jackson partners' bank records looking for misappropriated funds by Ben Allen.
We're looking at it as public funds. When I did my investigation, it was from a public perspective of public funds. So once it hits that account, it becomes public funds. DJP don't have the right at that point to send it to anybody.
Some repairs on a personal vehicle paid for through the nonprofit, which also picked up his wife's cell phone bill. Defense attorneys argued many of the personal charges were reimbursed.
Didn't have any receipts for it, so therefore we could substantiate what the purpose of those purchases was for.
There was also testimony that Allen wrote a business check for $86,000 for Mayor Yarber's inauguration gala. Defense attorneys say those funds came from private donations, both sides trying to draw the line between what is public and private funds. Today, we also learned that Ben Allen makes an annual salary of $150,000 a year at Downtown Jackson Partners. Testimony here will continue in the morning. In Hinds County, David Kenny, 3 on your side.